learn and sing the letters and their sounds. Sing along. A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cookie, cookie. D is for daddy, daddy. E is for elbow, elbow. F is for funny, funny. G is for go. H is for happy, happy. I is for in. J is for juice, juice. K is for kick. L is for look. M is for mommy. N is for no. O is for off. P is for play. Q is for quiet. R is for red. S is for stop. T is for toilet. U is for up. V is for voice. W is for water. X is for X. Y is for yes. Z is for zero. Now you know the sounds of all the letters. Practice with me and you'll get better. Good job.